Welcome to Inspire TV. I am Riya Tiwari and you are watching Inspire this month, where we explore the most exciting events and updates from this month. Let's begin with the news headlines. Bootcamp 2026 begins at Inspire Knowledge Campus. Inspire students shine at Macau Convocation 2026, 15 secure university merit ranks. Inspire freshers take center stage, marking the end of bootcamp with energy and talent. Inspire Bootcamp 2026 brings students together through inter-batch sports tournament. BMS department launches Inspire Media series to make media learning engaging. Now news in details. Inspire Knowledge Campus launched its 4-week onboarding bootcamp 2026 on July 6, 2026, welcoming newly admitted students. Divided into 10 batches, the students are participating in an immersive program designed to move beyond traditional orientation. The bootcamp focuses on practical life skills, self-discovery, communication, digital networking, teamwork, and career readiness. Conducted before the commencement of regular academic classes, the program aims to help students adapt to campus life, discover their interests, build confidence, and develop essential skills for their academic and professional journey. Through interactive sessions, practical activities, and collaborative exercises, the 4-week initiative provides students with experimental learning environment while introducing them to campus community and its learning culture. Students of Inspire Knowledge Campus once again proved that their academic excellence by securing top position at the Convocation 2026 of Maulana Abul Kalam Azad University of Technology. According to university results, 2020, 21 and 22 batches, 15 out of 34 students from Inspire made it to the merit list across 15 undergraduate programs, highlighting their strong academic performance. The achievement reflects the student dedication and the institution emphasis on academic excellence and holistic development. Inspire will continue to strengthen its academic environment and provide students with opportunities that support their overall growth and prepare them for future professional careers. Inspire concluded its onboarding bootcamp 2026 with a presentation and cultural performance on July 31st, bringing together all 10 students group for the final day of program. The students showcased their talent through a variety of performances, including dance, singing, poetry, and live band presentation. The performance reflected the confidence, creativity, and teamwork developed during the 4-week bootcamp, with students delivering enthusiastic and engaging presentation. The event created a positive and energetic atmosphere ahead of the commencement of regular classes, giving the new student an opportunity to connect, collaborate, and celebrate their journey together. With the successful completion of bootcamp, the students are now ready to begin their academic journey with renewed confidence, enthusiasm, and full energy. Inspire organized inter-batch tournaments as a part of its onboarding bootcamp 2026, giving newly admitted students an opportunity to compete, collaborate, and build trust spirit beyond the classroom. More than 260 students participate in the sporting activities, which included basketball, futsal, and box cricket across boys and girls categories. The tournament witnessed enthusiastic participation and showcased students' athletic ability, teamwork, and competitive spirit. In basketball, go-getters emerged as winners in the boys category, while White Squad claimed the girls' title. In futsal, Sky Blazer won the boys category, and White Squad secured the girls' championship. In box cricket, Edge Setters won the boys category while White Squad emerged victorious among the girls. Individual performances were also recognized, with players receiving Player of the Tournament honor for their contributions. The tournament added a strong sporting dimension to the 4-week bootcamp, helping students build friendship, confidence, and a sense of belonging even before the commencement of regular classes. The BMS department of Inspire Knowledge Campus has launched the Inspire Media series, an initiative aimed at making media-related knowledge accessible, engaging, and easy to understand. Hosted by Assistant Professor Mr. Taki Hadar, the series explores a wide range of topics related to journalism, mass communication, digital media, filmmaking, and the evolving media landscape. Through short informative episodes, the series introduces students and viewers to important media concepts, industry development, and interesting facts in a simple and engaging format. The initiative seeks to connect classroom learning with contemporary media practices, while encouraging students to explore, understand, and engage with the rapidly changing world of media. The Inspiria Media series is a part of BMS department's efforts to promote experiential and accessible learning beyond conventional classroom teaching. You can watch the Inspiria Media series by clicking the link provided in the description. That's all for the edition of Inspira this month. Stay tuned for more exciting updates in the coming month. Thank you for watching Inspira TV.